me right now. If you do not walk out the store right now, you're getting arrested.
Don't want my other bag.
Refuse to leave. Let's go.
No, I'm trying to get my bag. I'm trying to. Yes, I am, bro. What the fuck you doing? Why are you touching me? Don't touch me.
Oh, what do we have here? Today we have a group of people fighting in the hallway at a hotel. When they were asked to leave by the manager of the hotel, they refused. So the cops got called. Thinking this would de-escalate the situation, all it did was make matters worse. Instead of simply just leaving, they all bought themselves a night in jail.
I have people on the second floor. They were fighting in the hallway. I think they seem intoxicated.
He's a dude, she's a dude, we're all dudes.
Yeah, alrighty. Did they explain to you what's going on?
It's that lady. We came here, literally just came.
Yeah, Atlanta PD.
She already was on some type of time. I don't know what type of time she was on. We just came here.
When do y'all check out?
Tomorrow.
Whatever policy they have, I'm assuming you guys violated their policy.
No, it's so crazy. We just literally just walked in. Before they say anything, I don't know what they called y'all just for.
Whatever policy it was, I guess they say y'all were smoking and like
We was not even here.
Okay, so just give us 1 second, all right, to explain.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no, it's
Why would you smoke in a hotel? Come on now, smoke that shit outside in the car or something, bro, or go for a walk.
It's not just the smoking, I guess it's the back and forth and
So are they going to give us back everything that we paid for? They're going to give us back a deposit and not everything?
so whatever that would be between you and them.
I want you. So check out calling this card right now. To cancel everything that we pay for right now. We're going to so everything that we pay for right now so we can go.
Okay, we see where the problem is. We've located it.
We're going to get another hotel. We out. We out because you and chicken, we out.
Now an argument ensues. This is finna get good.
So the young lady that was with us, she has her own room, I'm assuming? Does she need to get anything? Okay. Okay, all right, yeah, no worries.
Who's she arguing with?
And you just see that.
Oh, it's other people in there.
Hey.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what she got going on right now. We just got kicked out because
Hey, listen.
They having a whole party in the fucking hotel. That's what's going on. Hotel party is crazy.
Where the bag come from? Get your bag so we can go, girl. Get your bag so we can go.
We can't stay here all day, unfortunately.
I'm so sorry.
You know what I'm saying?
Where did this bag come from?
Mother, give me a
Is your
new
name, you said your name's
Where
Kayla?
did this? That's not my name.
What's your
Where did
name?
this bag come from? Jada. Where did this bag come from?
It's Kiki.
Where did
Okay.
this bag come from?
Kiki.
Jada is my name. Like I said.
Oh, now she just told on her friend. Oh, baby, we would have to fight after we get these cops out of here.
Whatever your name is.
You got me fucked up.
We need you guys to.
Y'all want to stay here? Y'all stay here.
All right.
Bro, we're good. We're fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
pack my shit up and I get. Yeah, right there. I get it. I'm gonna get my shit.
All right. Well, hang on.
We'll hang out.
All right, so we can discuss this outside, like I said. All right, so let's get moving then, because at this point, you guys are refusing to leave by just sitting there and talking. All right, so let's get moving. Let's get moving.
I'm from New York.
Let's get moving. I
We don't give a fuck about where you from, baby. That don't mean shit.
don't care where you're from.
Okay. Let me pack my shit up. Y'all
Sorry for cursing, y'all, but people be aggravating my soul on these videos with this entitlement.
Here we go. Let's get moving. Let's get moving.
relax.
You got her stuff? You walk outside with it?
Yours in seconds, right?
All right, because you don't have anything in the room, I can't just have you say it. You know what
I
I'm
have
saying?
something wrong because she with me.
Okay.
But she over here being racist. They've been being racist all day. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, not getting it.
Hey, look, I ain't gonna lie to you. When I feel some type of racist tension, baby, I leave. I do not stay where I am not wanted. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't even stay around for no shit like that.
Just call the corporate.
No, beyond. That's why I just stopped calling corporate right now. That's what she just did. She just walked up here trying to get y'all because I just told her I'm calling corporate.
That's fine.
That's all she just did.
You
Cause
can
just
still
said I'm
call
calling corporate because
Yeah.
she just said I can walk in upstairs.
You're
So I
fine.
just let her go. My joking.
I gave you my bag and I'm gonna get
No, I did not. I did not.
Hey. You were supposed to come in? No. We're done playing that game.
Did she really just shush a cop?
We're not playing. Hey, you were supposed to come up here.
No, we get
Man, that cop big as hell.
relax. We get that stuff. It's right here. It's right here.
Come on, son. We're not doing this.
Hey, bro, put the money on the counter.
I wasn't here. I
Grab your
wasn't
stuff
here. I
and let's
wasn't
go.
here.
So how did the money end up on the counter, though?
Listen to me
That
real
makes
quick.
no sense.
I just did that. I just did that.
Go with the money.
I don't know who did
We're
that.
gonna start getting arrested.
This is why I like traveling by myself, because I ain't got to worry about if somebody took my shit or moved something, you know. Look, save you all the pain and heartache.
Let's go. Let's go.
Who put the money on the counter? It's only
Y'all have to leave out.
money on the counter.
At this point.
That's what I'm saying. Who
Hey,
put the money on the counter? That's what I'm saying.
Let's go.
Who the put the money on the counter?
Y'all bugging. I'm trying to get all my stuff. Y'all bugging.
no, y'all are bugging.
No, it's that. I just came in here.
I ain't gonna lie, you did kind of make this shit go up in flames a little bit more than what it already was.
You're supposed to come get your stuff,
My stuff
but
is
you
out.
coming
My
here to
stuff
argue.
been out. I've been trying to help. This my sister and my brother, so I'm helping them. Would
So,
you help your
let-
brother and your sister?
You're
You
supposed-
would.
you
You
said
would.
you
You
were
would
coming
though.
to get your
But
stuff.
you would. You help your brother and your sister.
can
That's
wait
it.
outside.
That's it. I'm
You
trying to
don't
help
have
them. That's
anything-
it. No, I do.
You don't have
No.
anything else
This is
in
my
here.
room. This is my
can
room.
go
It's my
outside.
name. My name is Flowers.
room is
So I
no
have
longer
yes, it is. Yes, it is. Until they give me back my money, yes, it is. That's it.
That's not how that
Give me my
works.
money. I'm trying to get all my sister's stuff. That's it. That's all.
Yeah, weird as
Can you walk outside, please?
I ain't take no.
I know what you're saying.
Put the money on the counter. That's what I'm saying. Who put the money? Who put the money
That's the last
on
time
the
I say. Listen, you need to listen to
counter?
me right now.
That's what I'm
If you
telling
do not walk out the store right now, you're getting arrested.
Yo, with my other bag.
Oh, now you want to walk.
No, I'm trying to get my bag. I'm trying to get. Yes, I am, bro. What the f*** you doing?
Let's go.
Yo, I'm trying to get my bag. I got a duffel bag. I gotta have a duffel bag. I have a duffel bag.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you tripping.
Don't touch me.
Hey, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're good.
Why you touching me though?
You shouldn't have put your hands on that cop, baby.
Let us get one more. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Or you're going to jail too.
I didn't do anything but want my stuff from on the bag.
You're going to jail. No. Y'all are done. Y'all are done.
From New York, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop resisting. What are you doing?
I'm resisting though. Why y'all doing all this though?
Y'all could have just left, though. How hard was it to just fucking leave?
Can somebody get
It wasn't that hard at all.
Get this on my vlog. Get this on my vlog. My phone is under the bed. Get that on my vlog. My phone is under the bed, bro. My phone is under the bed. Record that. Give me a bag. Drop your bag. Why you touching me? Stop.
We're leaving right now.
Don't touch nobody.
We're done. We're done.
I gotta leave.
You want to go to jail too?
I went for my money.
There it is. You're going to jail too.
I'm not going to jail nowhere. What are you doing?
You going to jail? Ain't it funny when somebody tell the cops what they ain't finna do and then it just automatically happens like stupid ass boy?
No, but can I lock my
Get out of the room now.
Why they playing with these big ass cops? But these cops is huge. Yeah, he about to lose and about to smash both their ass.
Let's go. Let's go.
Don't touch me.
Oh, hey, grab her. Grab her.
You stay over here. You stay over here. Stay over here.
Why are you doing all that extra? Yo, where your phone?
Y'all wild for that shit. Y'all could have just left. Instead, I made this situation way worse. You gotta be drunk or equilibrium is off for sure.
Hey, she's doing too. She's doing too.
Y'all getting sued. Y'all getting sued. I need to go to the hospital.
I can't breathe. No, bro,
I gotta go to the hospital. I can't breathe. I already got lost in that time.
I just did that.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm not. You know I'm not.
I need to go to the hospital. I need to go to the hospital. I got asthma.
You look like he a little off.
You know I got asthma. I already got lost in that time. Y'all gonna see. Watch, you gonna see. Y'all getting sued.
You ain't just hear me call my brother just now?
Yo, get my stuff, bro. That's what I just said. That's what I said. I'm not with them. I'm not with them. That's the problem.
Stop.
I ain't trying to arrest you for somebody that's with them, bro. Yo, get my stuff
But I ain't gonna never let y'all back in this hotel or any of the other hotels that they own.
from here, Brayden.
Any sister companies, that shit done.
Excuse me, you see that?
Yo, why you choking on
I'm not choking.
Yes, you is. Yes, you
I'm
is.
not choking you. Let's go.
Yes, you is.
We all good. We good. They gonna know we go to the prison. I gotta go to the hospital though. I got asthma.
They got a hospital in the prison. Hey, 2-for-1 special.
I need to go to the hospital. I got asthma. I gotta go to the hospital. Get up, sir. I gotta go
He sound like that dude that sings that song 6'7".
to the hospital. I got
Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
asthma though. Come on, bro. Y'all locked me up for nothing.
Y'all being weird right now. I said, cause I just came in there to do nothing. Y'all doing that? Literally being for I just came
Word to Mother B, you doing that to me, B?
here. Y'all being weird, bro. What the
Mad weird.
I just came here to give my stuff, and that's what y'all doing? Because of that?
I think it's a lot more than that, sugar cakes.
And I just told them, I just came here to tell them to stop. This is what y'all doing to me? It's so sickening, cause I just told them to stop, bro. I just told them to stop.
You was like gasoline on a fire. You was making that way higher. Like the tensions wasn't even that high. But when you walked in, they just got batteries in their backs.
What?
That's what usually happens with people, though.
Why in your stance?
What you mean? What are you doing?
Hey, relax,
I'm trying to pick up my pants.
Relax already.
My pants are slipping. You want me to be naked? Like, do you want me to be naked? I'm putting on my pants.
What the fuck is that?
Put my pants.
I'm good.
What is that? Is that a condom or is that something else?
I'm in this for them.
You good? Have a seat in the car.
I gotta go to the hospital though. You good?
I'm pulling my pants on the fucking road, y'all.
Get her in the car.
Put my sister pants up.
Get her in the car.
I knew by them baby hairs she was gonna be a problem. When they got the baby hairs by their eyebrows and shit, yeah.
What's the charge? Excuse me? What's the charge? What's the charge?
Go up to the car.
What's the charge?
Get in the car.
What am I being charged for?
Stop.
What am I being charged for? Those questions.
The shit that you doing right now with your stupid ass.
From New York, though. Be for real.
Nobody cares you're from New York.
We don't care if you care, but I'm saying, like, why y'all locking me up?
Remove that.
Can I get my slides? Can you get my shoes? Can you get something?
Stop.
Can I have my rights?
Would have been like, if I'm from New York, we do not claim her at all.
Human? Can I have my rights as a human? Where my shoes at?
Which one
Can I get my right as a human? Where my shoes at? Don't take my bag. I got don't. Don't take my bag. What the? I didn't pay for that. I did not pay for that.
Shut up.
Look, his intrusive thoughts came out. He said what we was all thinking because I was like, damn, when did she shut the fuck up?
All right. I need statement for trespass and stuff like that. Yep. Trespass warning. I did 1014. I work on the 1014, but trespass warning me. Yeah.
Peppett's Farms.
Listen. I just came to help somebody, bro. You know you just grabbed me up like that. You know what you just did to me. You know what you just did to me. You and your whole friend. You know what you just did to me. Your whole partner. You know what you just did to me. And I ain't have nothing to do with it.
It's on body cam, so it's not like they're gonna miss out on anything or any details. It's all recorded, babes.
You get it. Yeah, this can hurt. It hurt. Can you untie it or something? Like, damn.
Not they hog tied, G.
Like, I'm
You know how fucked up you gotta be to be hog tied, bro?
I can't. Like, put me the up or something. The you talking about? Like, you're gonna up. Like, this can hurt. Fucking hurt. Put me up for my hands or something. Like, you talking about? Like, that's crazy right now, bro.
And ask them to trespass all of them permanently. It's also good to remember that when the cops were here, 2 of them came downstairs and to threaten me.
Perfect.
They will tell you.
Listen.
Calm.
Regardless of whatever happened over there, okay?
See, they did my face.
At the end of the day, you're going to jail, okay?
I know that.
Okay.
So that means at the end of the day, I know I'm going to judge. So that means at the end of the day, I know I have to take it over. I follow a cop. I don't think they know that.
Oh God, here we go with this shit. Why do y'all insist on making your parents look so horrible when y'all do dumb shit? My dad's a cop. That shit not gonna save you. Your dad can't stop this interrogation, baby. You can't stop this shit. You can only hope to contain it.
It matters a lot.
EA Sports.
They violated me for no reason.
It would be a lot better if you told us your name.
No, take me to jail.
Oh, so you want to be booked in as a John Doe? Just to extend the time?
I would like a lot of time. I would like to
Listen.
extend months. I want to spend 10 years in jail.
I don't.
Oh no, not me. You tripping on that one. I like coochie. So no, I couldn't do. I'm not with you on that one, brother.
know
Just
how
sue
it
the
works
out of
in-
this.
I don't
Sue
know
the
how it works
out of
in
the
New
city.
York,
I would love
okay?
that. I would love to
I
spend
don't know
10
how it
years in
works in
jail.
New York.
I would spend 30 years in jail to sue the out of the city.
Damn.
You're being trespassed from here. You cannot come back. However, I understand that you do have property on here that belongs to you. So what you do
Everything.
is
I'm from out
you
here.
call. Hold on. In the morning, all right, when
My
you get
phone,
released.
they left my all over.
In the morning, right?
Where's my phone at?
God damn, shut up. Fuck. She can't get one word out. That's why you in prison now. Where you going at? Shit. Shut up.
Your
Yes.
what?
Ah!
In the morning, somehow you have to go on the sidewalk. Do not come on this property, or you'll be arrested for trespass after warning. You can
Somehow I'm
contact the
here
police.
when?
Hold on. Wait at the sidewalk. Talk to a police officer and tell them that you need to get your things. Okay, we'll do an escort.
Cause I didn't do anything.
You're being charged with battery on a law enforcement
I didn't touch
officer and
no
resistance.
cops.
There's no bond for that in the state of
Wait,
Florida.
hold on, but they don't have no,
There's no bond.
cameras to show that I never touched nobody.
Everything was on body
I
camera.
never touched
mama.
anybody, so why are they saying
Everything.
that?
All right, I gotta go. Sorry.
Have you ever noticed that there's something about hotels?
Boy, they was mad annoying. I see, but they that would have kicked them out of every hotel in the city, bro. Fuck that. But hell no. Ain't no way y'all that annoying. Like, you know what I'm saying? That just irked my soul. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. That's it, baby. We out.